Hi, this is Jennifer Griffin with GoFetch Marketing, and this is a tutorial video for Steve with the Office of Jefferson Circuit Court Clerk. This video, I'm going to show you, Steve, how to make changes to mostly text. This is on the dev site like we discussed. Once the site goes live and you need to know how to make changes to the pop-up alert and other areas of the site, I'll make different video tutorials, but this is just to get us through till the site launches. So I will send you the username and password to get into the dev site. Once you're in the dev site, all you have to do is just like, this is the back end. It looks very similar to where you were before on the current site. So let me click on here, all pages. You can see, as you know, there are a ton of pages. So, but this is where you would go normally right now to make changes, and that's fine. You could do it that way, but it's going to look a little different. So if you let's click on District Civil Small Claims Probate. When you go on this page, you're going to notice it's in containers. So it's going to look a little different than what you're used to. And like I said, once we go live, I'll make you more video tutorials. But for now, I think the easiest way to do this is to make changes through the Edit Live module. So I'm going to flip over to this one, which is the front end of the site. And as you can see, there's this little black bar up here, which you will see once you're logged in. Since we're only making text changes, what you need to do is just navigate to the page that you want to make changes. So let's just say it's District Criminal Traffic page. Click on that, just like you were navigating the site if it were up and running. And then hit this button, Edit Live. And this is going to take you, as you'll see to the left, this pops up. Just ignore that for now. And all you do is scroll down to the area you want to edit. So in the area you want to edit, hover over it, and you'll see these little pop-up boxes. This is a text block. So if you want to edit that, you just hit the little pen. And then over here, you're going to see where you can edit the text, which looks very similar to the way you were working before, or a Microsoft Office document. So we could put in here, this is a test. And as you see, it comes up automatically over here, so you can kind of even see what it looks like. Once you've made that, you hit save. Don't forget to hit save. A lot of my clients forget that. And then once it turns green, I usually, just to double check myself, particularly if you're new at this, exit out, hit exit, exit page to front end. And this is going to show you what it's going to look like on the front end. Scroll down. And there it is. This is a test. So let's go back and delete that. So hit Edit Live again. Scroll down, hover, find the box, edit. Scroll down over here, highlight it, delete it. Make sure you hit save, and you're good to go. So let's go to the front end again. Oops. It might load a little slow just because you're on a dev site, so don't get too concerned about that. You can go over to jury service, let's say. Do the same thing. Hit Edit Live. Don't forget, it won't let you edit till you hit Edit Live. Edit Live. Scroll through, make changes. I would stay away from making a lot of changes to this stuff. It can get confusing. We could talk about that when it actually goes live to the public and how to make changes. Like this is the toggle, the FAQ, that's a little more difficult to edit. And stuff like this and the footer will stay stagnant. They're global, so I wouldn't be messing with anything like that. But for now, it sounds like you want to make copy changes anyway, which is pretty straightforward. And really, that's it. If you have any questions, just log out, X out when you're done, and you should be good to go. But if you have any questions, obviously let me know, and I can help. Thanks. Bye.